Articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love being you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need.
Yeah, it's something about a black woman. She claims she never needed me. She wanna somebody call it granny
This is the hair that we're using. It's Caribbean waterway in the color 4. Don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah, it's 18 inches. But we gonna cut it.
We are doing my hair. And Layla getting her hair done too.
So it come like this. I already folded over, so we just gonna
Put on me.
wait. So it come like this, folded over. So we just gonna take the scissors.
I'm sorry.
It's stuck. Okay. This is what we're working with. Hey y'all, it's your girl JaundraTenice or T_J_Go or JaundraTClark or whatever social media handle you happen to follow me under. And I know I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, but we're doing a back to school or welcome to school hairstyle on Fuzz. She's going to pre-K this year, so whoop whoop, hooray for Fuzz. And what we're doing are individual box braids. So as you can see, I have like small square shapes all over her head, and that's the way that we're gonna braid. And I've done this 1,000 times before, so I don't want to be too repetitive. So if you all would like a detailed video on how I box braid or how I individual braid or plait or whatever you call it, leave it in the comment section below. I'm not planning on doing too much talking in this video, but y'all know I get a little long-winded. You feel me? So right now, as y'all saw in the beginning when I was separating the hair and cutting it and everything, the hair comes in different strands. So with each strand, I separate it in 2, and that's 2 braids, if that makes sense. So I braid the hair. I separate the hair, of course, part it, all of that. Braid the hair down, and I braid it past her real hair, then tie it in a knot so it will not come down. But you will see me do that several times throughout this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. If you all would like to see me do any other hairstyles, leave it in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like it, dislike it, do your thing, comment, subscribe. But thank y'all for being here. Thank y'all for watching, and enjoy the video. The end result is at the end if you just want to skip through it. But yeah, this is what we working with today, so let's get into it.
She claims she never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. She claims she never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. I broke her heart like 1,000 times. I went to law like 1,000 times. She broken hearted and teary-eyed. I'm constantly cheating and saying I'm trying. Yeah, she constantly forgive me, knowing I'm lying. I see that you tired of my shit, no denying it, baby. My soul, you walk out and I'm dying. I catch you with him, then I'm up in this eye, man. Pussy good tight grip up on me, sticky little slow drip like honey. Ass so back, can't even palm me. Smart bitch, but her hair gang done. Don't pay some bitch, she roll up onions, but her cash don't want your money. Now bitch need her help, she coming. Can't let no nigga take her from me. She claims he never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. She claims he never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me.
I wear my heart on my sleeve, I get my heart on my team. Niggas been plotting on me, stepping my back till I bleed. I don't smoke regular weed, my legit love when I sing. I swear she a pretty little thing, I'm trying to make her my queen. These niggas hating on me, and I don't know why, but I ain't surprised if these niggas feel threatened by me. But you know the vibes when I'm low, I get high by myself, so I'm facing these trees. I ain't never did no shit for no image, little baby, I do what I please. I break up in like I break down these switches if you ever fucked on the king. We don't do regular things, so go bust it open for me. Can I dive in or watch you'll see? Baby girl, can you focus on me? Support each other emotionally. Don't bring me no shrimp in my peace, and when she get hot, just promise you won't leave. Baby, let's make us the same. You so thick, you bustin' up in chains. You look like a snack to me. Can you throw it back to me? Can I eat that cookie with some cream? Bubblegum pizza like peaches and cream. You look like a snack to me. Can you throw it back to me?
She claims he never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. She claims he never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. So damn good, bitch, ain't no leaving me. She claims she never needed me. She won't answer my call and grind immediately.
Rock Legion. Ty Beats.
She claims she never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. She claims she never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. I broke her heart like 1,000 times. I went to law like 1,000 times. She broken hearted and teary-eyed. I'm constantly cheating and saying I'm trying. Yeah, she constantly forgive me, knowing I'm lying. I see that you tired of my shit, no denying it, baby. My soul, you walk out and I'm dying. I catch you with him, then I'm up in this eye, man. Pussy good tight grip up on me, sticky little slow drip like honey. Ass so back, can't even palm me. Smart bitch, but her hair gang done. Don't pay some bitch, she roll up onions, but her cash don't want your money. Damn bitch need her help, she coming. Can't let no nigga take her from me. She claims he never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me. She claims he never needed me. She won't answer my call, declining immediately. She says she's giving up on us, she's leaving me. She says she don't know what she ever seen in me.
I wear my heart on my sleeve, I get my heart on my team. Niggas been plotting on me, stepping my back till I bleed. I don't smoke regular weed, my legit love when I sing. I swear she a pretty little thing. I'm tryna make her my queen. These niggas hating on me, and I don't know why, but I ain't surprised that these niggas feel threatened by me.